Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by choosing a clipboard manager because macOS shows only the last copied item. Open the App Store or the vendor page and install a lightweight tool like Flycut or Paste. Once installed, open System Settings Privacy and Security and enable accessibility for the app. Some apps also need screen recording to capture content from other apps. Make sure you allow notifications so the app can show quick previews. This initial setup gives you the history backbone you need. Once permissions are set, open the Clipboard app and assign a global shortcut that you'll remember. In Preferences, pick how many items to keep, whether to sync via iCloud across devices, and which apps to ignore so sensitive inputs aren't stored. Now use Copy CMD+C as usual. The manager captures each entry automatically. To preview, press your shortcut and scroll through the saved clips. Press Enter to paste or click to preview. This step turns regular copying into a searchable, retrievable history. To finish, summon the history with your shortcut, find the clip using search or arrow keys, and press Enter to paste into the active app or click to copy it back. If you want a permanent save, export, or pin important entries in the manager. If clips stop appearing, make sure accessibility and screen recording remain enabled. Confirm the app isn't excluded in its preferences, and restart the app or restart macOS if needed. That single troubleshooting step fixes most permission-related issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.